Hi, I'm Morgan with WayMarine Design. I'd like to show you our newest product, the WayKleen by WayMarine. Come on, let me show you how it works. Step 1, do your initial rinse with tap water. Step 2, attach the soap cannon and hang on. Foam gun work, getting all that grit and grime off your boat, and don't worry, it's environmentally safe. Step 3, remove the soap with tap water. Step 4, engage the spot-free rinse by pulling this lever. It's just that easy. You'll never complain about cleaning your boat again. Get the WayKleen by WayMarine Design.